Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily turn on manually approved tags on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Instagram app. Then hit at your profile picture, and once you are at your profile, hit right there at that little person icon to show all the photos where you are tagged in. So now you can open up any photo, and now you are able to hit on edit, where you can enable or disable that tag controls feature that allows you to manually approve tags. So I'm just gonna hit right here at that switcher, and now it says that manually approved tags feature control every future tagged post. You will be able to manually add them to your profile or permanently remove yourself. Previous tagged post wouldn't be impacted. So in order to enable this feature, just hit add turn on. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.